Okay. Translation: in the conditioned stage, one's conceptions of life are sometimes polluted by passion and ignorance, which are executed by attachment, hostility, greed, lamentation, illusion, fear, madness, false prestige, insults, fault finding, deception, envy, intolerance, passion, bewilderment, hunger, and sleep. Okay, all of these are enemies. Sometimes one's conceptions are also polluted by goodness. So even Satoguna can also pollute us. Okay, so this one's conceptions of life are sometimes polluted by these things. And what are the cause? Passion and ignorance, Rajaguna and Tamoguna. So Rajaguna and Tamoguna gives us these polluted conceptions. Okay? And even sometimes Satoguna also can pollute us. The actual aim of life is to go back home, back to God. Okay, but there are many hindrances created by the three modes of material nature. Okay, I said no, we are servant of Krishna. That is our identity. So now, what is our goal? Our goal is to go and serve Krishna. Where? In Golok Vrindavan. But where actually we are serving? We are serving Maya. So Maya will not allow to go there. Maya will check properly. So Maya has got three lobes: Sattva-guna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna. So these three modes of material nature are creating many hindrances in our connection with Krishna. So sometimes by a combination of Rajoguna and Tamoguna, the modes of passion and ignorance, and the hindrance will come. Sometimes combination of Rajoguna and Tamoguna. Sometimes by the mode of goodness. In the material world, even if one is a philanthropist, now one may think how mode of goodness can be a obstacle in bhakti, Satoguna. People say, Satoguna is good, but Satoguna also can create hindrances in our bhakti. How? In the material world, even if one is a philanthropist, a nationalist, and a good man, according to materialistic emotions. So these are even sometimes more dangerous things. Suppose somebody is a drunkard and killing people or is doing bad things, many people will say him, not only devotees, but many people will say him that you are doing wrong, stop it. But activities which are out of Satoguna, somebody is doing, nobody will object. So that is even more dangerous for those people to become bhakta. Like philanthropists, like nationalists, and a good man according to materialistic emotions. So this, whatever is there, you see many people are having big orphanages, and they're too much involved in that. Or some people are saying that become vegans. Nowadays that's also going on. So all this, but their idea is everything is dependent on this materialistic estimations. Nation, if somebody is very great, person who loves his country, freedom fighter and all, people say good man, yeah. But good man, we don't want to become. We want to become devotee. Okay. So these conceptions of life form a hindrance to spiritual advancement. So in this regard, we know Srila Prabhupada wrote letter to Mahatma Gandhi even that you are many people are following you. It is best for you. You preach them about Krishna, not about nation. Because nation is material thing. We have to come out of this conception. My country, your country, there. Useless. So Prabhupada wrote a letter to Mahatma Gandhi and you please understand, you are many people are following, you are a leader, great leader, and you are also promoting Bhagavad Gita. But why you are not promoting the real essence of Bhagavad Gita? Why you are holding only one thing? Ahimsa. What is it? Bhagavad Gita conclusion is सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य माम एकम शरणम व्रज. Surrender to Krishna. Manmana bhav madbhakto madhyaji man namaskuru. Becoming devotee of Krishna. That is the essence of Bhagavad Gita. Manmana bhav madbhakta madhyaji mam namaskuru. This thing came in Bhagavad Gita 2 times. No other word, no other line Krishna said twice. But this line Krishna said twice in Bhagavad Gita. That means it is that important. 2 times he said, Man manabhav, engage in your mind in me, mad bhakta, become my devotee, madhyaji, worship me, mam namaskuru, pay obeisances to me. Krishna is saying that. So Prabhupada said, you promote that and make people devotee. Okay. So this is the point. So becoming that nationalist, philanthropist, that's not the goal of life. Some people say they are doing very nice now. Good thing they are doing. Why is ISKCON people? No, we are not about that, against of anything. But that's not bhakti. Don't call it bhakti. Okay. These are hindrances created by Satoguna. Okay. Because so much I am a philanthropist or I am a great nationalist, that Satoguna is stopping me from serving Krishna. Because now I'm famous like a big nationalist. Now if you start saying that other countries also same like my country, then people will say you are loving everybody. Why you are not? Because loving everyone, that is Vedic system. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Whole earth is our family. That is Vedic. But now from where this has come, we don't know. And my country, your country, that's never taught in Bhagavad. Okay, Pandita Samdarshan. See everyone as equal. That is devotee. Okay, but seeing my countrymen as my dearmost and seeing other countrymen as this, that is worldly concept. Okay, that's what the identity problem is. So Satoguna can create hindrance like this. Okay, so one should not be too much running towards Satoguna. How much more of a hindrance than our hostility, greed, illusion, lamentation, and too much attachment to material enjoyment. So these things, like I said, illusion, greed, and all those things, even people will say bad. But other thing, people, Satoguna hindrances, nobody will say bad. So it's very difficult to overcome. And like this, like Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Mad, Matsar, 5 things. 5 things if you exhibit excess of lust or anger and pride, envy, these things, if it is expressed, greed, then people also, general people will say, Arey, why you are becoming too greedy? General people may say to you, please cool down, don't be so angry. People will say, anger is not good. But that is the 6th item is there. What is that? Moha, attachment. 6 are there, Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Moha, Mad, Matsar. 5 is like that. 6th is little more dangerous. Moha, attachment. Somebody is very much attached to his mother. That will create problem in bhakti. So mother is saying, no, don't go to temple. You stay with me. I'm your mother. I want you to marry and have 10, 20 children. So nice. Oh, my mother is saying me to marry. How can I say no to my mother? Okay. Anyway, my mother, I want to please her. So he will get trapped in that attachment. Because he is not able to break that attachment. And nobody will say it's wrong. If you say, Prabhuji, you are too much becoming attached to your mother, what people will say, Arey, loving mother is good, yeah? Why you are saying like this? So somebody is too much attached to family members, relatives, friends. People say, so nice, yeah, he takes care of everyone. He's so nice, he's very wonderful. So taking care and loving them is not problem, but being attached to them is problem. Because that attachment should be there only to Krishna. So if you want to be attached, then be attached to them as a devotee of Krishna, not as your mother or as your brother or your sister, your husband. No, that attachment will create problem. This is my mother, this is my daughter, this is my son. That's problem. That's what is the problem is. But this is Krishna's devotee. And fortunate thing is that devotee is my mother. That's another way of thinking. I am direct. When I'm saying this is my mother, this is direct relationship I'm trying to establish. Okay. But when I bring Krishna in between, then it becomes devotional. Okay. Then it becomes spiritualized. Okay. I am servant of Krishna. This another person is servant of Krishna. And what is my service? To how we are related? Both are servant of Krishna, but roles are given that in that drama, you can say, in that drama, this is good example. Like person is there, director of a drama. Okay, director of drama is there. Many actor and actresses are there in his team. Okay, so today there is a drama. Okay, now director will say for today's drama, you act as mother, you act as daughter, you act as brother, you act as husband. Okay, and let's play. So this drama is being played. So during the drama, they are acting, but they know they are acting. Oh, my mother, oh, my wife, they are acting like that. Okay, but internally they are always realize that we are actually servant of the director who is paying us. So we are supposed to act like that, because this person, me, everyone are actually servant of the director. So same way, we all are servant of Krishna, but here in this drama, we are related as mother and son, husband and wife, and brother and sister, or whatever. So that thing has to be understood properly. Okay, this is like drama only, puppet show. The controller is having the rope threads, and puppets are moving. Rangamanch ki Kathputli, there was a very famous dialogue in one of the Hindi movie. Prabhupada also says actually it's a Bengali thing. So that movie also having that touch, so they got this thing. Prabhupada also wrote in one of his song when he reached America, that I am the puppet in your hand, my dear Krishna. So whatever way you want me to dance, make me dance. Okay, so we have to realize that we are puppet in the hand. So now Maya is controlling. So we have to go change the control and come to Krishna's control. Okay. So these things are little dangerous, moha, because nobody will help you to come out of it. And devotee will also feel, Arey, how can I say that Guruji is becoming too much attached to family? Maybe he will feel, some people will feel bad also, say, Prabhu, too much you are attached to your family. Leave this all. What you are thinking too much? Just take care of them, love them. That's nice. Because you are spoiling your own spirituality for your families. They are telling you to do material things you are doing. What is this? You have to think from a spiritual point of view. Na? Oh, mother said so, I stopped chanting. What is this? So even sometimes that will, hey Prabhu, how can you say like this to my mother? I'm not coming to stand up. So moha is more dangerous. You understand? Moha more dangerous. Other people also say that preaching is easy. Somebody is a drunkard and all. You go to their house. Arey, tell your brother, son not to drink. Parents also say, Swamiji, you only give him some advice so that he should stop doing this nonsense. Other all things they will help. Oh, he is so angry. Some people will call, Prabhuji, can you guide my son? He is so angry. All the time he's getting anger. So everybody. But will a mother call a Swamiji, Prabhuji, my son is too much attached to me. Can you advise him to become attached to Krishna, not to me? Nobody will say that. Women's will call and they will come to temple, say, Swamiji, my husband is very bad. He is having other women connection. He is drinking liquor. He is very angry man. He is very greedy. Is that? But if he is too much attached to me, whether a wife will come, Swamiji, oh Krishna, my husband is too much attached to me. And because of this attachment, next life he may become woman. He may again get a material world birth. He may even become animal because it's too much attached to me. Krishna, please help him. He should not be attached to me. He should attach to you. Who will pray like that? This moha is so dangerous. And a moha. Attachment to the family members is very dangerous. Which husband will pray, Krishna, my wife is very much attached to me. Please make her attached to you, not to me. Who will pray? Nobody will pray. They will be very happy. Oh Krishna, you're so nice. You gave me such a wonderful wife who is so nicely serving me and giving me sense gratification, and I am very happy enjoying sense gratification. Next life I'm going to become animal. So thank you, Krishna. Who will pray like that? Eh? Everybody is saying this only. So more attachment will not give you right picture that where you are becoming attached. You think, she's my wife, I should take care of all those, the mother, father. Very dangerous. So people should understand that they are acting as puppet as an actor. They are having a role in the drama. They are not actually somebody's mother, somebody's husband, somebody's father. No, actually that relationship is not there. That is only for some time. That's what we read in Chitraketu's episode. That boy said, "Who are you? Which parents are you? Just tell me. I lived many births, many parents I had. Which one are you? Tell me first." The father said, "My God, eh, that means I was crying just like that, huh? My crying, my tears went useless." That son is no useless. But tell me, Baba, which birth parents you are? Then he understood. Actually, there is no relationship. Eh? Like in the river, sometimes these leaves are floating in the river. No? Because of these waves, these two leaves will come together and they will be for some time together. And then after some time, another waves will come, they will go. And this leaf will become together. And that's what our relationships are. Today, for some time, husband, wife together. Then the waves of death comes. Next life, they become somebody's wife, somebody's husband, like that. And that's previous lives, he was some enemy. This life, because previous life somebody was enemy, could not take revenge. This life came as servant or a son or a husband, and every day beating the wife. Previous birth you gave me so much trouble, na? They, or son giving trouble to parents. Who knows what will happen? Karma is like. So attachment is very dangerous. Okay, attachment will not give the right picture and nobody will help you, right? Like somebody is being, as what I was saying, somebody is being very attached. Nobody will tell, oh, this my son, my daughter, my very much attached. Please help him. He may get animal birth because of this attachment. He may get another birth in the material world. He may not be able to practice bhakti. He may not be able to go back home, back to God because of this attachment. So please help him. No one will say that. Other problems, people will say, oh, my son is very getting so much anger, he's very greedy, he's very lusty. People will complain about it, but being attached, nobody will complain. They will say, very nice. Oh, that person is very nice, so much loving his wife. That woman is very nice, loving her husband very nicely, her children very nicely. And everybody will say, oh, so nice son, loving his parents very nicely. So becoming someone attached as this material designation, that I am somebody's husband, I am somebody's son, so I have to love them, attach. This is a material concept. But that I am not saying that you don't take care of your family members. Take care of your family members. How? The way they do in acting. Like I am servant of Krishna, Amsha, part and parcel of Krishna. Other person is also part and parcel of Krishna. So in that way, we both are sons of Krishna. So we should serve them. So the service is there. We will serve everyone. But how we will serve and take care of everyone? As part and parcel of Krishna. As servant of Krishna. Okay. As same as, because I am also same part and parcel of Krishna, and he is very equally that other person is also servant of Krishna. The how much Krishna loves me, Krishna loves him also. So I will serve them. So that service is there. We are serving them. We will take care of them. Everything is there, but as servant of Krishna. So if one does that as servant of Krishna, then he will even do better things. Okay? He will. That's why when they are attached with as a material identification, so till the point sense gratification is available, they are very closed. All the family is very close. But when the choices changes, when the problems happens, and when the sense gratification stops, they starts fighting. But devotees does not do. Devotee will take care. Okay, always. So one really it happened. One person, he was a devotee, and his father was always scolding him. I became devotee. Yeah, this is that. And he was praising another brother. And then what happened? This father all of a sudden got some problem, kidney failure, and all of a sudden, and then every week dialysis and this that lot of things was there. So this another brother. Now anyway, first brother actually devotee, no, nothing is doing. He's in the temple serving like that. But other one is so much was attached to the father, and father was always praising him. And then when this thing came, other son who was working, who has money, he said, I cannot take care of father. It's too difficult. His wife was not ready. Wife said, let him be in the home only. We can send some money. That's it, okay. And then the situation came that the father cannot live alone. He has to live with any of the son. So when the situation came critical, both the son reached the temple. One son was in temple, he also went, and the other son who was working, they also went. Both they went, and night they decided, okay, after 2-3 days we will take discharge from this hospital, and the other one was in Delhi. So in Delhi we will ship father to your home. So the working boy said okay, and this really happened. And in the now they planned, finalized, okay. Then he told to the wife in Delhi, see, we have planned like that. I am bringing my father there. Something wife said, we don't know, nobody knows. Mystery, only Krishna knows. In the night, nobody noticed, nobody knew. This boy left the place and came to Delhi. And 3-4 days, his phone is switched off, wife's phone is switched off, everything, no connection. Then what to do? Then finally, the other son who was in temple having no money, he brought the father to the place where he was in the temple. He brought there. Okay, that's also in Delhi nearby. But he brought there. Temple gave some money to take care of the father and treatment, everything. Temple gave the money, and then the treatment was going on for 2-3 months. In between, then after some days, the brother called and said, actually, all of a sudden, no problem came in the home, so I was supposed to leave this, that. But now you can send. I will take care of father. So they sent again, because anyway, temple will. It's good that son only will take care. So they sent him. And after 5-7 days, this son and wife, they are giving so much torture to the old person, the father, who is already sick, that this father said, I want to go now. So they booked a cab, this sick person, okay, and they did not have courtesy to come with him at least to drop in temple. They just booked a cab and made him to sit and go. On the way, if he needs some water, something, no, alone this push his luggage and go. And this father came to the temple. Then again, temple took a room on the rent, and then temple paid money for hospital rent 2-3 months. And after that, too, and the son, this son whom the father was always scolding that he became devotee, that son only was taking care day and night of the father, and always praying to Krishna that this father should chant at least. And then he will bring prasadam, he will play Hare Krishna music, he will be lying all the time. And one night, this father passed away. And that time, he was hearing Hare Krishna. And he passed away. And then morning, everybody took the dead body. They went to the crematorium area. All the devotees were there. They were chanting Hare Krishna. and I was also there. Somehow I happened to be there in that night, and morning I also attended that ceremony, and we were all chanting Hare Krishna and praying for the departed soul. And then later on, another son came. So the point of telling this real story was that, you see, this material attachment, my son, my wife, my father, my mother, this will remain only till the sense gratification is there. After that, they will fight, they will leave. But if we are attached to our family members, bringing Krishna in the center, then in all the circumstances, we will love them, we will serve them, because they are also part and parcel of Krishna. And we will always want, we will always will, not only for their material benefit, but also their spiritual benefit. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. We will stop here. It's already 9:10. I just explained you this thing is very important. So the remaining part of the purport we will do tomorrow. Okay, somebody can please note where we stopped, and then we will start tomorrow. Okay, thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Grantaraj Srimad Bhagavatam Ki Jai, Shri Prabhupada Ki Jai. So if there is any question, you can ask me. In the chat I didn't get any question as such. Maybe in the phone chat. Okay, no such question. There is a question about asking the shloka. I will send the shloka number. Okay. This is from, one is from 9th chapter, one is 18th chapter. Okay, thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Shri Prabhupada.